Elephant Racing's Tire Rub Prevention Kit solves the problem of tires rubbing the inner wheel well at full lock for 1965 through 89 914s and 911 series cars. Rubbing happens on some cars even with stock tires, and the problem is very common with oversized tires and wheels. Tire rubbing is an unsafe condition since it has the effect of unexpected front wheel braking, and it will fail inspections with many track clubs. This kit works by limiting the full lock position of the steering rack, thus preventing tires from rubbing. Available for 1965 through 89 911, 912, 930s, and 914s. The kit is installed on both sides of the car between the steering rack and the tie rods. It can be used on turbo and regular tie rod vehicles.